Hello and welcome to this tutorial number 178. In this tutorial we will talk about the next command in the mold tools, undercut analysis. In the previous tutorial we talked about the draft analysis and we see how to apply the draft and read the colors and solve any draft issue in order to make the injection molding process easier without any feature. In this tutorial, we will talk about another issue, the undercut analysis, and understand the meaning of the undercut and applying and solving the issue. So now here we have this mobile cover from the previous tutorial, and as you remember, we applied the draft analysis, and here we selected the direction of pull, which is the top plane, and the minimum draft analysis we wanted was 0.5, and here you have all the part as we need. But there are also other issues we have to look for. For example, the undercut surfaces. So let's go to the undercut analysis and discuss more about it. Here we will also pick the direction of pull, again the top plane, and here we see the undercut faces. The first two cuts, direction 1, direction 2, they are the faces which you can see from direction 1. If we look on that arrow which represents direction 1, and here we see the light blue faces, and direction 2 are the faces which we can see from the top side. So basically these are faces, no worry about them because they are just representing the faces which we can see from top and bottom of this cover. The two faces we need to think more about, the cleared undercut and threaded undercut. These threaded undercut are something in between, might not be that big problem, but the occluded undercut we need to try to think how to fix them. And they are shown in red. For example, we cannot see them clearly. They are mostly because of the plate over there. So the undercut, the occluded undercut, actually the faces can be difficult for to be injected or to be seen by the mold. And to make it clear, we can try to make another example. So the occluded undercut in this case are because of the fillet over there, and they might not be that big issue. It can be easily extracted from the mold. So as we said, the undercut faces are so tiny and they are not that, by imagining the injection direction, it will not represent any issue. So we'll have to do another case where the undercut might represent a problem while extracting the cover from the mold. So here, start a sketch, normal to, and let's make, for example, a cut for the charger or the speaker. Point 5 and 8 millimeter, and from this point, point 5, and select this point horizontal with this point and make a cut of point 5. So for example, we have this extruded cut in this cover, and go again to mold tools, undercut analysis, and the direction of pull is the top plane. And as you notice over there, we have a large surface with unseen undercut face. So this face might represent a problem. It is unlike other tiny fish over there. So there are two ways to fix this cut, either by removing it or making a path for the surface. So let's make exit from the undercut analysis. Select this face, start a sketch, convert entities, and make a cut through all. Click OK. So now we made a path for that surface, and let's again go to Mold Tools, Undercut Analysis, and select the top plane. And here we have only one face. After we solve the inside face, and we can try to fix this issue again by adding another draft. As you notice, we solved the face over there, and we have one remaining undercut face need to be solved. We can easily fix it by make the cut through both directions. So as you notice right now, we managed to fix that cut over there, and here can be a snap fit, or so this area can be a place for a snap fit, or also you can add another hole over there for the charger.